All right, welcome back to NuffTalk podcast. This is your girl, Lex. You know, I'm giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. And I have my favorite, lovely co-host, Big Sash, not the little one.
Thank you for having me again. Shout out to NuffTalk.
I know, we're the best. Yeah. Oh, you look so cute and pink.
Thank you. It's love season, so I feel like, it's a little Valentine's vibes.
Yeah, we got the roses, different scenery, Because we have a special guest today, a very, very special guest today, They got them bubblegum, okay? I think you guys already know that, all right? So give a warm welcome to Valiant. Studio audience.
Yes.
Thanks. I like that back there.
There you go.
All right, how you feel?
Yeah, I'm great though.
You sure?
Yeah, 100%.
How you like New York City? This is not your first, but how you like it?
New York, I'm second home, you know. You don't know. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm a place, yeah.
Okay. Sash, how you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm happy to be here. So I'm excited. We're fresh off the Passenger Princess tour. It's Valentine's.
You
It's
have to visit the favorite city.
Is. Of course. He's in
Big
New York
up, yeah,
City.
man.
Big New York. So, first of all, congratulations on your tour. Yeah,
definitely.
How do you feel about that?
Great, tired as well.
Tired?
We do 21 states. And
21?
Then, 21. And then we do this deluxe now. We do Montreal because the fans in Canada were complaining. So we do something quick and get them together.
So this last leg you added on to...
Yeah, it's a deluxe.
Oh, okay.
Because the Monarch was so good in New York with the Terminal 5 in Manhattan.
Yeah,
which
we
was
went,
3,000. It was crazy.
Real good. Yeah, we went. We were like,
it was a vibe.
For sure.
And I really appreciate everybody that followed us. And you guys too. Thank you so much for coming,
Thank you.
Yeah.
I think the first time I saw you perform was your first performance in New York, which I believe was Amazura in Queens.
Yeah.
In Queens.
Yeah,
So that was my
that.
first time seeing you perform. And then the second time was the Sashi Experience in Jamaica.
Oh, yeah.
In May
with all of the artists them.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember that.
I think that was in Mabay. Or St. Anne?
So, Ocherius.
Ocherius, yes. Yeah. And then third time is a charm. Terminal 5.
Yeah. We got you here.
I like it.
And now we're here. I just feel like it's a full circle moment. So,
seriously. But, your first one, right? I was there at Amazura, and you had said something that was so funny. You was like, why y'all just standing here? I don't like when people stand up. Do you feel like it's changed now for New York City?
No, the vibe was good in Amazura. I think India was just too hot. And them that way for me long.
That's very historical over here.
Yeah, I'm not really a time
That's like
person.
a regular thing now. I feel like we're used to it.
It's a vibe.
Yeah, no. But New York is definitely... I would say, though, when we were there on Sunday, the girls...
Yeah.
They was outside.
They were fully outside for sure. The girls were outside. And it's so funny. The guys, too. Like, the guys were there for a vibe and for him, but I feel like the girls were there for a vibe and for him. So I just feel like the whole energy was just very conducive.
It was right.
Yeah. It was like a big party, kind of.
No bad vibes, nothing. Everything was just right.
Everything was good. Usually
selected them the pan key to come here, listening at the back room and I see them all the energy as well too.
And then the dancers.
Yeah,
and then
Nori,
the
my
dancers
uncle,
too. The dancers were really good as well. I was like, they bringing it.
They're New York dancers.
Yeah, I heard you say that.
No, when I come to New York, if I'm doing like shows like UBS, they're the dancers,
Oh, those are your homies.
Yeah.
They knew exactly what they was doing.
Yeah, man, them lucky, man. Yeah, man.
That's good. So, for this tour, right, from the beginning until now, what did it teach you so far? Or what did you learn, I should say?
Music is not easy. And I think not every song that you think is not a hit song is a song that resonates with people. A lot of your fans that you don't even know. Some songs I don't even perform most of the time. So it teach me a lot of things. It teach me patience. Teach me time management.
Time management. Yeah.
I don't think I catch the time management part yet.
I don't think we had it.
Yeah, but definitely it growth. And I think building that relationship with your fan base than being like this, like incognito. I think letting your fans know more about you, more than music, is like a good thing,
So how would you compare that to like the fan base in like, I wouldn't say abroad, but mainly like America to like Jamaica? What's the difference you feel? The difference. I don't know, say you had people not too frightened for nobody still. I'm not say overseas frightened, but they more appreciate the art more. Remember Jamaican people not too care like that but them care, but them just not show us that them care. You gotta show yourself, you gotta prove it.
Yeah. I guess you don't know. You really can't please nobody, but you get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Why is that? Like I feel like we as Caribbeans sometimes like, what makes it that we're so hard to please or we're so hard to impress? Like, what do you think plays a factor into that?
Honestly, I can't answer that, you know.
I don't have an answer, but I figured to ask.
If you focus on that, you're not reaching nowhere. You're gonna limit yourself. It's like you limit yourself each time you try to do something good. And you put yourself in a unhappy. It's coming like you're happy about something you achieve, and because of somebody comment now, you feel unhappy. So me not really too focused on them.
Fact, just focus on what you're doing.
Yeah.
I heard you say this before, but I heard it live in person at Terminal 5. And I have to ask. He feels the energy. He knows where the question is going. He's feeling my energy.
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Okay, all right. I've heard you say before, and then I've heard you say it live in person at Terminal 5 that you are toxic.
Some ear, some just follow with me ear.
Oh, so people tell you.
Wait. So are you a follower or a leader?
That wouldn't come in a follower or a leader.
So okay, wait. So hold on.
My fans them say, "Oh, I'm toxic." I just work with my fan base.
Oh, so your fans say that you're toxic.
Catch you now, okay? I tell me some different thing. The fan base say I'm toxic.
I never heard the fans them say that you're toxic.
You know, most comments them under is either toxic or some type of narcissist.
Like you're a toxic guy in a relationship, is what they're saying, or you're like a just.
Them wouldn't know that, cause they don't know if me in a relationship.
True. All right. So they're just saying that you be.
I give off a narcissist type of vibe. Like based on if I'm speaking on live or something or speaking about a relationship, yeah.
So I never got that from you.
Right.
I never got that.
Yeah, I know, right?
I'm weak.
I never got that. So I was like, yo, why he always saying that he toxic? I'm like, when he say he toxic, what does that mean? Like, I'm like, is he just joking around? Okay,
maybe
so you just following up what they saying.
Yeah, the fans.
Okay.
So you feel like they think maybe based on your music too, you toxic?
Yeah. See, you know the right thing in there, so I come say about.
I'm feeding off of you. I'm feeding off of what the artist is saying. You see the fans say something.
Yeah.
You say something.
Yeah.
So, what's the hardest thing about being on the road? Because you've been on the road for a good while. Like
this year I make 4 years. I don't know when I stop fly, but what the hardest thing? My consuming pattern. Eating food. I eat different type of food and my stomach kind of different still. So you know,
what do you mean by that? Like
different taste?
Yeah, I mean, the seasoning over here kind of
it's not
different.
The seasoning. It's, you eat meat. You eat.
Yeah.
It's the meat.
No, what some of the food them like fruits, or if me I try to eat some type of vegetable, it kind of tastes weird and and everything kind of weird. So
you know why, right?
Yeah,
I don't know.
It's not organic. That's why. Let's call it spade a spade. It's not organic, and that's just what it is.
Yeah, no, that's that alone.
That's it. Just the food alone.
Yeah, come you them good. So you know.
Okay.
If tour was a statement, what would you say, or what would it be?
Yeah, put me on the spot. If tour was a statement, what would you say?
We have time, don't rush.
Yeah.
Put that at the last one.
Okay.
Put that
No problem. Don't Google it either. You gotta
need some time to think about it, so it's fine. Okay.
Yeah, that one they catch me after.
So we're gonna get more into a different thing, right? So the first thing I read somewhere that you said you're one of the most loyal, or Jamaican men are one of the most loyal men.
Agreed. Strongly agree.
I like you already, you know.
Yeah. Okay. What does loyalty mean to you?
What does loyalty mean to me?
Yeah.
I'm really big on respect. You know, everybody.
Respect in what sense?
Relationship wise, friendship wise.
Right.
Loyalty now. Somebody can say them loyal and still sell you out, you know. You get what I say? I have somebody who don't like you and still respect you.
That's true. That's definitely
you get
true.
what I say? But loyalty, for me, means you just focus on one person. Relationship wise, you're talking, right?
Either or, it doesn't matter. But get to that point. I want to hear that.
Relationship wise, you just focus on that one person. Share your main girl. The rest of girl, them are just a side piece. And
so why you sing about so much toxic stuff then?
Huh?
Why you sing about so much toxic stuff then?
I sing about toxic stuff. I sing about things that you're doing.
Me?
Yeah.
No, you just talk about like women in general.
Things that are happening in our day-to-day life, basically. You know, things that, for example, when me and DJ Maka do Lumba, and he's like, we're going to the studio. So me stay and have my phone, so I must say, see, ready, man, you start the song, I say, yeah. So I'm like, hey, girl, me will kill you with fuck. Mark be like, what? Valley, you mad? Me I say, I think I'm the type of artist where bring out things that's in our head and I put it in music. Like, for instance,
like
mad out.
say.
People think that I'm trying to say that we're mad out. I was trying to do mental health awareness. So,
really?
Yes, it's in my video. It's at the end.
Oh, yes, I did see that. You're right.
It's basically just things. If I say, I feel like I'm mad, you know. Yeah,
Right.
It's a statement. So, I just put it in a song. So, like, you know, yeah.
So, pretty much the everyday life of someone.
So
by the way, my son loves that song. Keep singing it. I love it. But going back to one of the most, you spoke about the loyalty part, right? But in your bio, you have there's no friends in dancehall.
No.
Really? Why do you say that? Do
It
you feel
depends.
Like it's
Betrayed? No, but just I tell you, it's a learning process because if you really follow up on my work coming up, when I'm just coming up, most of the artists that you see now was around me, like on most of my platforms. You know? Yeah. So yeah, and now you don't see them. So if you understand what I say.
Right, this is between the lines. Got it.
Got it.
So with that, right? What is one? I know you kind of mentioned a little bit, but what was the hardest thing to learn aside from that? Like, what was the hardest thing that you really had to be like, damn, like there really is no friends in dancehall?
And everybody can help, and some people don't. That's why me rather be corrupt than for be loving.
Corrupt.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, most people just want something to gain from you, and then leave. They don't really rate your art or rate you. Them just want what you have to build up themselves so them can disrespect you. So it weird, but
it's not weird. It's understandable.
Yeah,
I think for that part is more so like. I think we, as humans, we give and take, but you still got to get something out of it. That's what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel like I think in the music industry, I think you learn that either in the beginning stages or something happens. Sometimes you learn that it really isn't any friends here, right? And if you have friends prior to, I think that I am your friend. Yes. I just think that some people, they probably don't know how to differentiate the two, to be honest.
True.
And sometimes they mix and then they realize like, this is work. Friend. We're all working. Yeah. We're co-workers.
Brothers work.
We're working. I'm not friends with my co-workers
you're
like
not my
that.
friend.
So you're not my friend. So I don't
if we do some business, we're good. We're comfortable doing business together,
Colleagues.
but you're not my friend.
Yeah.
You see me?
I think that's life in general because you feel so friendly, like, oh, we're besties, but in reality, it's like, I don't even like you.
Yeah, not like
I don't even know you like that.
It's like
I don't know
when you
you on
really
a
get
personal.
to know somebody, like you get to know them. Them they really rate you like that. You get me? I say, they are just for the benefits, like it's beneficial.
That's true.
You see me?
Okay. So when you first started music, what was the goal?
To make people know me, like
that's it.
That when I just started it, more want people to know my music, like know me. Yeah.
So what about now? What's your goal now?
My goal now to become one of the greatest, basically.
What do you mean by greatest? Like greatest in dancehall reggae or greatest of like international?
International. Yeah.
Do you feel like you're on the proper road to that?
Yeah, I think I go on with myself, yes.
I think so too.
I think I've the milestone them, I appreciate it, and I think I have more levels to go. I'm not reach nowhere yet, but
no,
I've done
not
a lot.
true. Not
places.
true. No, I can't say you don't reach nowhere yet.
No, I'm not reach nowhere yet. There's a lot
but
of
there's
a lot of milestones, like things that. But for me,
okay.
Yeah, for me, for myself. But you don't know, we've done a lot.
I was
Because I think in the beginning, you started off doing reggae. One of your first songs, I was looking on Apple Music. It's like, this is what they want or something.
Yeah, well, reggae. I used to sing a lot, And then, yeah, I do, but not like how me used to sing like them Romeo and Virgo type of vibe them.
Okay.
You don't know, you get to learn over the past years from mastercraft what and what not to do, what and what. You don't know.
When did you start singing? Like what age?
Early, like from primary school coming up straight.
Were you one of those kids in school that was just like always singing?
No, man, I don't think that's school, man.
I'm just trying to get a little understanding.
Me one of them look a troublemaker youth, but
so you're like a class clown?
No, sir.
No. Oh no,
I say troublemaker.
No, because I was a class clown. I was a class clown. I definitely was.
But say like,
okay.
Me being no more on the music. Me I don't want them youth there for giant choir and them little thing there, but me being no more on the music.
So you were never in the choir?
Like church, like that?
No, church.
I was in the
choir. With my parents, yeah, man.
Okay. But that was like, you had to do that.
I have to.
Yeah, right.
It's like a ritual. If you don't do it, You don't know you can't stay under this house.
Yeah,
but you know when you reach
Sunday morning, you have to get
when you reach 18 or I think 16. When I reach 16, I have my own decision on what to make and things. So, you know, everything changed from that.
So you went to church
with my parents,
growing up? Okay, and what was that like? Like, what kind of church was it?
A Christian church, man.
Christian? Okay,
and then
that
type of
people are
church.
different. Like,
no, first I went to Episcopalian, and then my uncle opened up Episcopalian.
How about that?
Like,
it's a
Catholic.
different denomination.
It's kind of like Catholic, right? Kind of like Catholic, and then my uncle
He's like,
opened
okay,
up, right?
yeah, I don't know what that is, but all right.
And then my uncle, then my uncle opened up a Pentecostal Christian church, and I was going to Catholic school, and then next thing I was just
basically 95% of dancehall artists
they all
used to go
started
to church.
Yeah, they grew up in the church. I mean,
and the things that you guys sing about,
yeah,
wow,
have nothing to do with even the
but we never
space
say
that
we
we
forget
were.
God though.
Can never.
You haven't.
Yes,
I mean,
never.
I don't know if some of that stuff was in the Bible though.
What's that?
Oh, it's okay.
You know exactly what. And speaking of that, right? Where do you get your inspiration from for your songs? Because they're so descriptive. Like you said, a gal me a kill it with. Like, how did you think about that?
I just reminiscing upon some little things.
I felt like you was about to do that.
You know.
So is that everything? Like majority of your songs are more so reminiscent or past experiences?
I think the vibes in the studio has to be right, and we just find it. We just come. When I work time, I just work time. I can't really explain how it go. Sometimes even me myself didn't even know how it goes. It just happened.
I think it's the beauty of being an artist,
right?
Like of being a natural. Like you said, you've been singing from you were a kid.
Right. Yeah,
you've
long
been
time.
into music, so it's just like
so
you're in the studio.
As I always said to my friend, when I like somebody don't want to be no doctor, no soldier, it was always music.
Really?
Okay.
Yeah, my parents never really liked that at that time because every parent want
so what
that
did you
doctor.
tell them that you wanted to be? Even though
Caribbean parents are not open to
the
this.
biggest artists with the music.
So you never try to please them and be like, get up your doctor.
Please, no. I tell her be a trouble, make money.
Okay.
So when we reach like 18, 20, start work, I have to work for send myself go studio. I try to do some things. I try to do some other things and things. I was doing a 9 to 5 like for 2 years first, and then I stopped work from that.
What? Where did you work?
What was you doing?
I was doing work in a call center, Jamaica has a call center based.
Customer service.
Yeah, and then I stopped for 2 years, and I was talking to myself like, one more I need to do, to go out there. But like for every young artist now, it's on a way, but at the fact like if you have the music, you just have to focus on music. You can't do work on music, and I was in that spot.
Yeah, because it's a big thing.
More while I left work, I'm tired. I can't go studio with that brain open, like my mind can't open.
You just did a 9 to 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you don't know me that for just say, you know what, I'm gonna make that sacrifice, and that same time then, my son I go born, so money for give youth.
Yeah. Take care of your
So I have to go harder. So that did just drive me to go harder. And you don't know, God made the way for happen. Or slang turn into hit songs after that, back to back.
Which song is that?
Catch It Alive from them time then. You don't know, so we can't complain.
So you actually touched on something. We was gonna get something else,
but he got into it already.
Yeah.
I said,
What's that?
Let's go.
So your dad, right?
Yeah.
How is parenting with this lifestyle? I'm a mom, by the way.
My lifestyle?
Yeah.
My lifestyle is now in my house.
Oh, so he doesn't even know?
No, he knows, but it's not like
How old is your son?
He's 5.
Really? 2020?
Yeah.
Oh my
your
God.
son
Go us. 2020, 20 babies.
Oh, okay.
They're crazy.
He's a Virgo like me too.
Really?
Yeah.
Aw, my baby's almost a Virgo.
Yeah.
We can get this all later.
Yeah.
Kids.
You don't know.
But so how does he look at you? Like
a star man, him always say, want to be like me, but me tell him say no.
That's cool.
Make him do him own thing.
Okay. So would you want him to be into music?
Him have to come to this, Him want the things
really?
man go through.
You're one of the first people who say that.
You have to do it.
It may be on the side or something, but you can't work so hard. People come take up something for
That's
this.
true,
So.
though.
That's true. Like,
That's not like me force him, but
Right.
You just like find something. Your
find
niche,
even DJ or
produce something.
produce or manage one artist and turn one lawyer up on the side. Something can't work so hard. Get too much stylings and you build up this empire. And you look, and you them even want it. That come like a waste of time, isn't it?
It's like you're breaking a cycle for a reason. Because it's for the younger
break the
generation to get it
generational curse
easier.
and say this, see there, take it. But now I say, may I give it like this without no work.
Right.
You got to. You're paving the way.
There's a reason why I did this. Pretty much. Okay. So, what? Actually, I wanted to ask you: are you signed to a label?
Yeah.
Which label are you signed to? There was a lot of speculations online, but I want to hear from you.
Sony Epic.
Okay,
But I'm finished. I gave
right.
them their project already, so you know.
Oh, so that was just like a temporary thing.
Basically, that's
So
what I
how
want.
was that? Like that whole journey being with
It
them?
was okay.
Okay. Leave it at that. I like that answer.
was
Politically
okay.
correct.
Would you sign to another label again?
No.
I like that answer too.
Mm.
So we're just gonna read between the lines, guys.
Yeah.
I feel like artists feel like they're more free. They get
Yeah.
to do.
Yeah.
You the artist in this day and age. You don't need a record label
really
to
don't,
really
though.
don't be who you are.
Yeah,
Right.
creativity kind of cut, isn't it?
Especially I feel like with dancehall or with reggae Caribbean artists, especially when they sign to American labels, sometimes there's
Or just
somewhat
foreign
of a
labels in
disconnect.
general,
Yeah,
right.
Sometimes they don't fully understand the type of artist
Right.
that they are because they're not an American or R&B hip hop. So I think that's
You know what I
sometimes
feel
the
like
best
too,
way.
and maybe I could be wrong, but I feel like when people are signed to like not labels within the culture, they tend to make them do things that just doesn't make sense for their path. Do you feel like that's the
or
same
for the
way?
audience.
You know, I don't know though.
So there's some NDAs around here. But speaking of, you have a partnership with Campari.
Yeah.
How did that come about?
You know, so them just connect with the team. So them like my energy, my vibe. And them I say, you know, Valiant can bring towards this with Campari. And, you know, you work out and, you know, it's not one of my first thing, but I don't know.
Like your most recent.
Yeah,
right? Okay.
I did Digicel before. I did KFC.
Okay.
And this is Campari, you know.
Is this your first like alcohol brand? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alcohol, okay.
So what's the difference between those and the other ones that you had before?
Alcohol.
So it's all the same. I don't listen. I'm not. I don't know these things. So
No,
I'm
I
trying
tell you, I just alcohol.
No, it's a
First one,
learning.
Digicel. And then I had KFC, and then I just have alcohol. So it's just like liquor, endorsing the new bottle shape, all of that for Campari. You know, it's a different vibe. I love it.
So is there anyone else that you want to do partnerships with, like someone big or some company big or something like that?
Not really, not right. That's not a thing for me. Like, if they
Okay.
come
You'll do
and I
it.
like it, no matter how small it is, like, say you have a sweat, whatever, sweat, a merch.
Yeah, merch.
And say, oh, Vali, you know, would I really like it for just put on the suit
it on,
and
okay.
me just do it once, me like it.
Okay, right,
And that's
so-
something that on my head. Remember,
To
me,
say like I want to do that.
and music, me I focus on so just all these musical things, you know.
No, that's what makes it genuine, though.
Yeah.
You're like you're only doing what you like. I'm not just doing it to do it.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so we got through all of like, you know, the
Okay.
basic stuff. So now we're gonna get more into it, right?
Okay.
Right. So when you first started doing music, you were doing like I call it OBA, but like the science stuff and all that other stuff. And I was looking at your pattern. You went from like reggae, and then it just jumped to that, right? And now you're doing like almost just straight gal songs.
Yeah.
Why is that? And was that a plan? Did you plan to do that?
We plan out everything, like, it's just growth. You know, most of the hustler, most of the money in the street miss that side there, I mean, but as I tell my friend,
We
them
don't miss it.
I may not miss it neither.
Okay,
no.
good job.
No,
good job.
I don't miss it either. Like, I will still give them some of those songs, but as I tell them, there's somebody right now, and the females buy mostly tickets. The men don't buy shit,
Yes.
so I'm focusing on you guys. So
Thank you
no
so
disrespect
much.
for you killer them still, cause I don't know, send out to no man for watch me.
Oh,
But-
fine, go ahead. I don't care.
I like
No,
that.
I-
Send
you
out
know,
the
my
woman to watch him. I like
No,
that.
me like, I respect them still because it came from that. It came from
They
that
help you,
level.
put you on
Yeah,
some
they
shit.
put me on. You know, I been the one change it from the day I start sing, but it's at this time,
To build it.
cause so I want to sing some reggae back to, but at this time,
Timing.
You need to hurry up because I feel
Yeah.
like them Gunman tunes. I was just standing there at the party.
yeah.
I love the Gunman tune. No,
I think it's a vibe.
No.
I think you have. I don't think it's Gunman tune anymore. It's the new dancehall. So it's like the trap dance.
Oh,
the trap.
excuse me. I
No, I like that.
I think it's no, it's not. It's still dancehall, but I think the new generation is
More trap.
because it's almost about scamming. So it's like the
Oh
trap.
yeah. You're right.
So,
You're right.
You know, maybe at that vibe there, it'll work now and it give her vibes. You know, it give her vibes. So I think it work with the girl song and the girl segment.
Right,
You can't have a
right.
whole party and sing be a girl song.
Yeah, right. That's true. That's
Everybody
true.
in them segment, eh?
We
I mean,
can.
it's
I don't
Yeah,
know.
we
it
can-
depends,
we can,
depends on
but-
which party we going to. I think
It
that's
depends,
what it is.
and it depends on the selector. It depends on the DJ
Yes,
who's playing.
yes.
You see me? But you don't know. I know girl them all with the fear say here or fear, you know.
Good job. I like that.
I like that. I like that a lot.
So when you're partying in Jamaica, right, and you're partying up here, what do you see the difference between with the crowds as an artist?
Jano, you can't really ask me that in the community stay a party too long, you know.
Oh, you just do your job, come out.
No, not like that. I would just go to an event. Say me I go outside for just make the fans them say, oh,
you outside.
Me outside. Me just stay like for 10-15 minutes. Me know.
And you're gone. So you don't know what the vibes are.
I don't know.
You feel like the vibes here versus like the parties in Jamaica, it's just so different. Like it's garbage. It's like
no, don't I yard mad still, you know.
Yeah, like
don't get it wrong,
everything. I feel like it's just the experience, the people, the energy, the dancing. The here it's more the stush vibes. The people are coming dressed head to toe. They want to take pictures. They booking a photographer to come to the party. Versus Jamaica, you go there, and it's like everybody just want to have a good time.
Over here, so don't I yard, it's just relaxing.
It's still hype, but it's more like
they're more there for a good time versus here I'm just coming to style and profile and flex on whoever else is here, which to me is like corny.
But I would say though, for your concert, it wasn't like that though.
No,
like, people were actually, I mean, they were paying attention to the performance, but they were actually enjoying it.
Yeah, the girls were dancing, the man that was dancing, like I was like, okay, this is
it. Enjoy themselves. I'm see killer them on in the ear with light and baiting. So you know, the vibe was right. You know.
So my next thing is right. So you collaborated a lot of female artists, in my opinion, at least a good amount, right? What's your dream collab?
Rihanna. Yeah.
Oh. So what type of song would you sing with Rihanna?
One of them bad girl tunes.
The bad girl, right? Of course.
Yeah.
I could see that.
Something
that
vibe, you know.
Fire.
Same like the vibe. With I go for the vibe, we should do it Drake. Work. You know.
Oh
the
yeah.
Okay. Look at dance. Still have to keep it a yard, you know.
Okay.
I like that.
So, what's your love language outside of music? Because I know you're very vulgar.
Love.
With it. Yeah. What's your love language?
I'm a gifter.
A gifter?
Yeah.
So act of service.
Yes.
Okay.
Thoughtful.
Yeah.
Thoughtful. Okay.
So what does that mean? Like, what do you mean by gifts? Like cars, bags, Louis?
Maybe. It all depends.
So it depends on what? On the girl or?
Depends. Yeah, if she makes sense.
If she makes sense.
Yeah.
So have you been in those type of situations before?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your idea of like a romantic date? I know in your songs you don't speak too much of that, but what's your idea of that?
Idea?
Yeah.
That's a good thing is the idea. Because I don't know if it's all right. A romantic date. I think this era of women like spending time. So I find out what she like. And she like me cook. She like if this, yeah I can. Open the restaurant, cook for her, put on all the drape. Maybe me naked and have on all the drape and them little thing then I cook. Festive service. Something I don't know, me kind of different still, you know. Say festive.
So you put a lot of thought into it.
Yeah, like what should I want, you know.
That's women love that though. They just love thought. It don't have to be no big
materialistic, you know.
It doesn't. Yeah,
depends on the female.
Depends.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you found someone like that, or you're still?
What's the next question? What's the next question?
Right. Yeah. Let's pivot. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna get into more. We were talking before about like the Passenger Princess tour. Obviously, the tour stemmed from. Or would you say the tour stemmed from, or the name of the tour stemmed from the success of the Passenger Princess song?
Really and truly, they do a tour before, you know.
Okay.
Before the Passenger Princess, but then the Passenger Princess blew up. So we say, all right, we'll just name the tour Passenger Princess.
Did you think that record was gonna do all that it did?
Yeah.
Or okay,
for sure.
Okay.
But you know,
do you think it was gonna be the most streamed?
Artist, if the artist them know, you know the artist them you can feel it and know based upon it. I made it in my feelings about something too.
Yeah, we can tell.
So certain things you can know based upon how you feel with the emotion all over. All over. Passenger Princess, Vice. You know, one day in a studio, me and DJ Mac rushed on the phone because he wasn't in Jamaica. But they had the Dennis. It's a place in Ocherius, an Airbnb. We did there. More me and Mac, we have like a writers camp. For we alone in our team, we just go somewhere far, put the studio in the house, vibe, rush and send the rhythm. Tell me, say, Cartel just Vice. I see the video, I say, yeah, Jano. If we go out, I can't tell that. Boom, he said Massacre vocals, then come in, just go. I say, alright then. cause a 2 version would it have. You know, I sing the first version. Man, them I say them the 2 rate that one, them sing the next one, them rate it, and we decide to use, and it just work out. I did something for CJ Chemist, I don't know, Chemist, all over, and it worked because it's one of my stream songs too. So you don't know, but didn't know Passenger Princess.
You knew what was gonna do. Okay.
But sure.
What does it take to be a real passenger princess? Like, what is a passenger? For those who don't know, for those who are listening and they're listening, like, yo, what is a passenger princess?
What is a passenger princess?
To you, maybe. What
You're
would
right
you
there,
describe?
Diamond.
Okay.
You're right there, Diamond.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that.
So, but then now you have another one that's Passport.
I heard that at thing. I was jacking
what's that now?
Passport? But that's the work with the passport. But that's try to find some princess, you know, me Russian, but I don't know, female them for be passport princess too. Travel and, you know, free them mind.
I'm glad you, because I feel like I had the wrong impression of what a passenger princess was.
What was it?
I was thinking more like, you know, the girls who be
so literal.
Me too. You know, especially in New York, like girls who literally be with guys who have nice cars and they driving them around, they drop them to work, they pick them up, they take them
That's
there.
the good thing about the topic. The topic for passenger princess, you guys can think anything that you want to think.
Right.
So like when me explain my thought will come to it now, when you can just review it in a different way. So it's basically a female or a rider that we go anywhere with you. Go anywhere far with you.
Right.
And she love fuck. Your woman, she gonna love fuck you. Yes, me.
Okay.
So you know.
Yeah. All right, so we got a new definition.
Because I was literally like passenger princess.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's why I was like, I'm not a passenger princess. But I'm gonna ask him, what is the definition of passenger princess? We have a different answer now. Have a different definition, I should say.
So right now you have the tours over. Everything is completed with that. What is next for you? Are you going to do another tour soon?
Yeah, soon, but for now I have an album coming out.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that known?
Yeah, when I'm going to look a preview, like, it'll come out soon.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yes.
With,
you heard it here. Okay. We love that.
With some good producers and I don't know already, so yeah, definitely. Some shows, to me per show. And just more music.
And speaking of producers, right? So you have, I know you work a lot with DJ Mac. Were you guys friends prior to this, or?
We're friends when the music just started. Like, me and him are linked for about 5 years now, 5-6 years. Yeah, and then Russian recently, some star voice with 2 of them mostly right now.
So I know you worked with other producers before, well, specifically those 2, right? Russian and Mac. What makes them so unique that you continuously work with them?
Yeah, all that I can't answer. I just find song with them and I just work with the energy.
Connection, chemistry.
If money I make right, just say that stay right, that's the part the money I make.
Safe as don't broke, don't fix it.
But me and Mac have a connection musically still. You know, me and Russian, like my ideas then we come and film ideas company for make the ideas way bigger. So because he's been in the game for so long.
Right.
So him have more, you know,
insight,
vision and more. Right. So it works. So working with a international producer and an upcoming international producer.
Right.
You know, you don't know, DJ Maka do it right now. So.
Right, yeah, he definitely is big up, man, for real. So you move between different things like dancehall, reggae, kind of like R&B too. I like that of you.
Yeah.
What did you really fall in love with? Like,
coming up?
Just, I guess you could say
coming up. What kind of music did
R&B.
you listen to?
You know, say in my car when I drive, still man them can tell us straight R&B listen to.
What's on your playlist?
Rad Wave. Drake. Party Next Door. Dave, Thames, Tyler.
Okay, so you were R&B.
Afrobeats,
R&B.
R&B. In my car, because I already do dancehall, I can't sit down. I listen to the new artists them. Like the new artists them.
Right.
Definitely. But I can't sit down and listen to dancehall all day. Because
it's
my
too
head,
much sometimes.
not really too much. Me say you easy get cleared at certain things, you know. So me listen country, western, jazz, house. Me try to keep there.
Different genres.
Bouncing.
Does that help you with creativity in terms of making music? Like listening to different...
From me happy music, make happy music, you know. So me just have always... Because I'm always laughing on the media, giving that good impression because I can't depend on the media screw on yo.
Right.
I wanna say. I'm not that type of person. I'm just have to always be myself. And I think being myself bring out that type of music. Me and the girl them like the vibe, you see me?
Yeah, like a fun vibe.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, because even though you say like even listen to some of your music before I even like really went to the contents and stuff, I was like, he sound like he be lit. Like it's not like this is fun. Like I would hang out with him.
If you go out with me and them think that vibe, you gotta laugh around me and them little thing them. So if fans them know if you go up on my live, you have to laugh. Me that type of person there like me a Valiant, but me and a Valiant where I move like say yo, me not gotta have respect for you too.
Right.
You see me I say yeah.
Okay. Would you ever make like just a strictly R&B album?
Oh, that one of my dreams soon.
I heard you say that before. I was gonna ask. I've heard you say that.
Hopefully, one of them there. But no, I dance all winner right now. So
yeah, that's where
gotta keep running with that.
And not really about the money, but that's my culture.
Yeah.
So I try to bring out to the world. So who don't know about dancehall,
right?
You don't know the bigger heads them, the foundation. Then I do it. So we as a younger generation, I try to keep up that. Yeah.
So I seen something on your page. I want to say maybe like a couple months ago with Bryson Tiller and Chris Brown.
Yeah, when I get the clearance for that.
Really?
No, I just say go.
I was
Next
waiting for that.
Everybody I wait, but you don't know when I get the clearance, and we just hopefully. And next time we'll get that connection there. You can just boom.
Okay. So aside from those two artists, right? Is there somebody else that you want to work in the R&B space, like somebody?
Chris Brown. I want to do something with Tyler.
I could see that. You know what it is? I like that bridge between dancehall and Afrobeat. Right. I love that.
Who else? Aske. Mr. Money.
Yes.
I'm so good.
Yeah, he's an Afrobeats artist. Yeah.
Okay.
I like his music.
Yeah, over at Afrobeats, US, I don't know, is either Chris Brown or Drake or Party Next Door.
Okay, so then I guess that goes into the next question of. I feel like he answered that already, but we're gonna ask anyway. Like the little trivia, like so. Which one? You tell us which one you prefer: R&B or hip hop?
R&B.
Right. That's okay.
All right. So we're gonna go old school. We're gonna go back and forth, right? So Beanie or Bounty?
Two of them.
Okay.
That's a hard one. That's one that sounds like that's so hard for me because I feel like I would probably say both. Like it's too hard comparing the both. It's hard.
Two of them have each on top of each. Yeah. Don't know.
Maybe for like the older generation, maybe that would be like better for them because they're like
because sometimes they're more like solid, like they ride for one versus our generation. I'll be like, what? I love both.
Yeah. So Brooklyn or Bronx?
Tread lightly. Tread lightly. That's a good answer. Okay. So New York or Florida? Tread lightly.
And do not pick another state.
Tread lightly.
New York or Florida?
Canada.
All right. So live band or track?
Live bands.
Why?
No, raw. You can feel the music more differently. Yeah.
Let me ask a question. So when you performed at Reggae Sumfest, that was a live band, right?
Yeah.
How was that? First of all, that was one of my favorite
performances from you.
That was deep.
Dope.
Yeah, it was my first time. I think that's when I break out as a breakout artist. First time going on Sumfest, dreaming about Sumfest. Do it, get it out there, and then right after that, I find songs, and that's some different energy, Yeah.
So with Reggae Sumfest, because that's a whole production.
Yeah.
And how did you prepare for that, and how did that help you moving forward?
It's a big platform. Moving forward, who didn't know my name and was hearing the songs before and they saw me on that, them finally get to see me and say, seeing that the vocals are really the vocals, and you don't know. It worked. It's a platform where put you out there more. I just you have to do the right thing. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So
big up down zone.
Tin mackerel or belly beef?
Tin mackerel.
Oh, I'm surprised you didn't give a different answer. Situationship or long term?
Complicationship.
Wow. And that's why he said he's toxic. That is exactly why he said he's toxic. All right. Country or town?
Huh?
Country or town?
Country or town? Country or town?
There's nothing in between.
Foreign.
I'm like, yo, you better not say USA.
I'm weak. So, your last, it was the EP, Prove Them Wrong, right?
Yeah, that was with the label.
That was with the label?
Yeah.
I like the title, though. Do you feel like you prove people wrong?
Every day.
Every day?
Yeah. I think them to stop underestimate me. The more them underestimate me, the more.
What are they underestimating you about?
Huh?
What are they
No,
underestimating
we're
about?
not getting to that. But just I
Oh,
say,
okay.
the more you underestimate me, the more
you show
me
out.
get bigger. So better you just allow me, understand me, I do it than if I underestimate me, because it just like I go more and more bigger. I've seen it a lot, you know, a lot.
Okay.
I personally feel like you you started music really 5 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago.
Start music?
No. You mean like a breakout artist?
like breakout.
Yeah, this on my birthday this September it's gonna be 4 years.
What was your breakout quote unquote record?
I think it was
North Carolina.
Yes.
That's what I said.
100 million.
North Carolina. I said that to you. North Carolina. That's what I thought, but
That's
I
a
wasn't
big
really
song.
sure.
I thought it was something
That's a
before.
song that
And
I feel like.
North Carolina was Duncheck.
So I feel
Yeah.
like I became like a fan, right? When I heard Duncheck. I'm one of those people who heard Duncheck and then went to, who is this kid? And then I went to North Carolina. And I was like, oh, I like this. So I feel like I might have been a little late to the party because I wasn't on the North Carolina. Because I didn't know about North Carolina until I got so invested into Duncheck.
Oh no, I think I heard both of them at the same time because that's when TikTok started to like
Move.
take off. Like,
When
TikTok.
when TikTok reached Jamaica, I was just on it, and I blew up off TikTok.
Really?
Yeah, the catchy
wow.
I got viral off
Well, then
TikTok.
again, that makes sense.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so
Okay.
off TikTok, then I come off of TikTok and just go into the real world and push out the talent, because at the time the songs them been lined up, but I didn't have something to make the world look
You just needed a
over
platform.
here.
Right.
Yeah, so I got it, so I make use of it, you know.
And then, so then when was, because I was going to get into this shortly after, I guess, your breakout record, how did it go from you leaving Jamaica to coming to the U.S. for the first time?
A work permit, man.
A work permit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Fans them want to see me in the US back then, so.
Where was the first place you went when you came here?
Miami. That was one of my
Oh, you
worst
went to
show.
Florida. Okay.
Really?
Worst, yeah.
Which one was that?
In Miami. That's when I wrote a song about today me I go through a rough part. You see me? One of my worst show, but the first time going was one of my worst show, yeah. But it good.
Okay.
And then after that was New York.
Remember now? I'm almost 4 years.
so
I don't really remember that, you know.
But I would say though, your trajectory has been like, it needs to be studied. Because a lot of people don't get the opportunity to like bust and just keep going. You know, some people get that hype song and then it's just, ooh.
Or
like,
they
you're
put
still going.
they put like if, for example, like Duncheck, they'll have a song or a follow up song. I would say, like, I think sometimes artists don't have such a strong follow up song from that, and I feel like as you say, just proving them wrong. Like every song after that, speed up. Or I mean, we can keep going and going. It's like, oh, okay, like I'm not no 1, 2, 3 hit wonder. Like I'm a really talented artist. So.
Them know where it maker, man. Them know. People know, but I don't know. As me tell you, we as artists, we can't really too focus on all this. It's sometimes some songs just we fans them and open different doors.
Right. So you might not care for a song, but because your fans love it and want it, you're like, I'm gonna
the
deliver.
same thing I tell about with the choppings coming down, like singing about all of those things. That's what they wanted at the time.
Right.
You know? So you have to give it to them. You can't just sing for yourself.
True. Okay. I respect it. I like that.
Okay. So, I know you said you have an album coming up. You have more things coming out.
A lot.
All right. You want to give us any like what people?
So I have a new song right now. Oh no, for That Sake. I don't know if you guys know That
Yeah,
Sake.
I
We
do.
heard it came out last Friday.
Yeah, you
right
deserve.
around
Friday the
here.
13th.
Yeah. You deserve. So do what we need for the boat. Safe Place is one of my favorite songs out now by DJ Monk. Crash Dummy. You have Owen by DJ Monk. And you have Passport Princess, Passenger Princess, which I'm still promoting. So them the all right now. That's what I'm doing right now until my album. So those are the
Is this your first album?
big album, yeah.
Big album.
like
Okay.
debut?
Everything else was like EPs.
Yeah, that's small EPs for like labels and thing, yeah.
But this is like your baby, like your actual project.
Boy, it have to be my baby.
Where can the people find you?
Instagram. I am a narcissist. Valiant.
Okay, hold on. Before we go there, let me ask about that. Why is that your Instagram?
No, mama, that promote a song, man. Anyways,
So you're promoting a song with the narcissist thing. So okay. So you don't think you're a narcissist?
no.
Okay. I don't think so either. Oh, you may. Okay. All right. And so the toxic thing is because fans
people.
were and your music was giving people that impression that you're toxic, but in actuality you're not.
I'm a nice guy. I'm a lover boy.
Okay. So he said he's a lover, not a fighter.
Yeah.
Okay. I like
Well,
that.
guys, that is it for Nuff Talk podcast. Thank you guys for
Thank you for
joining
coming. We
us,
want to give
and
you your
thank
flowers.
you.
We want to, shout out to Passenger Princess. Shout out to you. Thank you for your time. I think
But-
Sunday, as I said, third time is a charm seeing you. I feel like from the first time to
Right.
now as just some, watching a part
Growth,
of your
you know?
growth. Yeah, I
I
definitely
wouldn't
think
even
it's
say too
something to
much of growth
witness.
because you always commanded the crowd.
Yeah.
Like that was always
like you're
a
like
thing
an
for you.
entertainer, like a performer. Like
You're
we're
a real
entertaining. You're not just
performer,
up there
yeah.
singing the songs. Like you're entertaining and engaging with everyone. And I feel like that's kind of just the icing on the cake to just like your entire process. So
Right.
I want to thank you for coming, and we greatly appreciate
Yeah,
your
big up,
time.
Thank you.
Deep put him.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube, guys, and follow us on all digital platforms. Thank you.